Tired of fumbling for your wallet at the register? In this video, we'll show you how to ditch the plastic and use Apple Pay in stores completely card-free in just a few simple steps. First, let's make sure your card is set up. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you haven't already added a card, tap the plus button in the top right corner. You can then either manually enter your card details or scan your card using your iPhone's camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Next, ensure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for Apple Pay. Head to your iPhone settings. Then tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your iPhone model. Enable Apple Pay in the list. This adds an extra layer of security for your transactions. Now for the magic. When you're at the checkout, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay if you are using Face ID. Glance at your iPhone to authenticate if you are using Touch ID. Rest your finger on the Home button or Power button. Once authenticated, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. You'll see a checkmark on the screen, and you'll likely hear a beep, confirming that your payment was successful. And that's it. You're now equipped to make secure, convenient, and card-free payments with Apple Pay. Say goodbye to bulky wallets and hello to effortless transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.